Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered why some men effortlessly attract women while others struggle despite their best efforts? Spoiler alert. It's not just about looks, money, or fancy cars. It's about something far more powerful. Psychological triggers. Women are naturally drawn to men who know how to ignite emotions. It's not about chasing or impressing her. It's about understanding how to make her feel. And once you master these triggers, you'll notice an undeniable shift in how women respond to you. So, buckle up. Today, we're breaking down 7 powerful psychological triggers that will instantly make you more attractive. Stick around till the end, because number 7? That's a complete game changer. Ready? Let's dive in. Number 1, the power of confidence, not arrogance. Picture this. You're at a coffee shop. One guy is nervously scrolling through his phone, avoiding eye contact. Another is sitting comfortably, sipping his coffee with an air of calmness. Which one do you think women notice? Confidence isn't loud or boastful. It's a quiet sense of self-assurance. Women are drawn to men who are comfortable in their own skin. Confidence tells her that you're secure, independent, and emotionally mature. And that's attractive. But don't confuse confidence with arrogance. Arrogance screams insecurity. Confidence, on the other hand, is relaxed and respectful. It's about being authentic without seeking validation. So how can you boost your confidence? Embrace self-improvement. Work on your goals, hobbies, and passions. Maintain strong body language. Stand tall, make eye contact, and smile genuinely. Challenge negative thoughts. Reframe self-doubt and focus on your strengths. When you exude confidence, women can't help but take notice. Number 2, the chase me effect. Scarcity. Value. Ever wondered why we desire things that are rare? Think about a limited edition watch or exclusive concert tickets. The harder something is to get, the more valuable it becomes. The same principle applies to attraction. If you're always available, texting her non-stop and dropping everything for her, she'll lose interest. Not because she's playing games, but because it's human nature to crave what feels scarce. Women are drawn to men with full, vibrant lives. She wants to know that you're busy pursuing your goals, hobbies, and passions. This signals that you're high value. Here's how to apply it. Don't cancel your plans just because she's free. Be responsive, but avoid over-texting. Let her wonder about your day. When she senses that your time is valuable, she'll naturally want to be part of your world. Number 3, a man on a mission. Purpose. Magnetism. A man with a clear mission in life is incredibly magnetic. Why? Because purpose breeds passion, and passion is undeniably attractive. Women are instinctively drawn to men who are driven. Whether you're building a business, pursuing a creative passion, or working on self-improvement, having goals makes you stand out. It signals leadership, ambition, and emotional strength. But here's the catch. It's not about pretending to be busy. It's about genuinely investing in your growth. Ask yourself, what excites you? What legacy do you want to leave? How are you challenging yourself? When you're deeply committed to your purpose, women will naturally gravitate toward your energy. Bonus? You'll become a better, more fulfilled version of yourself. Number 4, the mystery factor. Keep her guessing. Think about your favorite suspenseful TV show. The reason you stay hooked is because you don't know what's going to happen next. That sense of anticipation, it's magnetic. Now apply this to attraction. Women are naturally intrigued by a man who carries an air of mystery. If you reveal every detail about yourself too quickly, there's nothing left to discover. But when you leave a little room for curiosity, she becomes captivated, wanting to know more. But let's be clear, mystery doesn't mean playing games or being dishonest. It's about maintaining a sense of unpredictability that keeps her excited. Here's how to create that magnetic pull. Be selectively vulnerable. Share experiences when the moment feels right, not all at once. Avoid oversharing. Let conversations flow naturally without feeling the need to fill every silence. Leave her wanting more. End conversations on a high note, so she's excited to talk to you again. Keep your plans to yourself sometimes. Not every detail of your day needs to be reported. When you maintain a little bit of mystery, you become a puzzle she wants to solve. And as long as she's curious about you, you'll stay on her mind. Number 5, the right kind of touch. Subtle and natural. Touch is one of the most powerful tools of attraction, but only when it's done the right way. A well-timed, natural touch can ignite chemistry without a single word. On the other hand, an awkward or forced touch can do just the opposite. Women are incredibly perceptive when it comes to physical contact. The key is making your touch feel genuine, comfortable, and respectful. A light graze on her hand when you're laughing together, a subtle touch on her lower back while leading her through a crowd. These small moments build subconscious emotional connections. But timing is everything. The best touch happens when it feels organic. Forcing it will only come across as uncomfortable. Instead, wait for moments when you naturally feel a connection. Observe her body language. Is she leaning in? Maintaining eye contact? Smiling? These are all green lights. Here's how to master the art of touch. Start light and playful. A high five, a friendly shoulder tap, or brushing a stray hair away. Respond to her cues. If she reciprocates or doesn't pull away, that's a good sign she's comfortable. Know when to stop. If she stiffens or avoids eye contact, respect her space. Done right, subtle touch creates a spark that lingers. It's like an unspoken language of attraction. Number 6. Emotional intelligence. Make her feel understood. Forget pickup lines and flashy moves. If you truly want to stand out, focus on one thing most men neglect: emotional intelligence. Women crave connection. They want to feel seen, heard, and understood. And the men who can offer that? They're instantly more attractive. Emotional intelligence means you're in tune with not only your own emotions, but also hers. It's about understanding the deeper meaning behind what she's saying and responding in a way that makes her feel validated. It's not just about listening. It's about actively listening. Here's how to level up your emotional intelligence. Be genuinely curious. Ask her questions that go beyond surface-level small talk. What lights you up? What's a dream you've been chasing? Questions like these build emotional intimacy. Validate her feelings. Instead of dismissing her emotions, acknowledge them. Saying, "That sounds tough. I'm glad you shared that with me," shows you understand. Read between the lines. Women often communicate indirectly. Pay attention to her tone, body language, and the emotions behind her words. A man who makes a woman feel truly understood becomes unforgettable. Why? Because genuine connection is rare, and when she finds it, she won't want to let it go. Number 7. Humor and playfulness. Laughter and attraction. You don't need to be a stand-up comedian to capture a woman's attention. But if you can make her laugh, you're already winning. Humor is a social superpower. It lowers defenses, builds trust, and releases dopamine, the feel-good chemical responsible for attraction. When she laughs with you, she feels good around you. And that's a feeling she'll want to experience again and again. But here's the secret. It's not about delivering rehearsed jokes. It's about sharing genuine moments of playfulness and fun. A man who doesn't take himself too seriously is refreshing. He creates an environment where she feels relaxed, comfortable, and free to be herself. How to bring humor into your interactions. Tease playfully. Light-hearted teasing, with respect, shows confidence and builds sexual tension. Be self-deprecating. Laughing at yourself shows that you're secure and don't fear judgment. Embrace spontaneous fun. Life isn't always serious. Suggest goofy activities. Challenge her to a playful bet, or find joy in everyday moments. Most importantly, listen for what makes her laugh. Everyone's sense of humor is different, and understanding what she finds funny creates a personal, intimate connection. Laughter creates memories, and the more she laughs with you, the more she'll associate those joyful feelings with you. So there you have it. 7 powerful psychological triggers that will instantly make you more attractive to women. Remember, it's not about pretending to be someone you're not. It's about tapping into what makes you naturally magnetic. Confidence, purpose, emotional intelligence, humor. These are the traits that set you apart. And once you master them, you'll notice how effortlessly women respond to your presence. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these triggers have you noticed in your own life? And which one are you excited to try out? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. And if you got value from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more insights to level up your dating game. Until next time, stay confident, stay curious, and keep becoming the best version of yourself.